Hey guys, welcome to pattern 6, wherein we need to create a set of pattern based on stars separated by tabs for a given number n. We see that this pattern, we're going to get something out of this pattern. This pattern is similar to our diamond pattern in the previous point where we discussed the pattern 5. Because, let me show you, here I have 3 stars, then 1 space, and then 3 stars. Now I have 2 stars, 1, 2, 3 spaces, and 2 stars. Now I have 1 star, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces, and 1 star. And then I have again it is increasing, so stars 2, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3 stars, 1 space, and 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry, and 1, 2, 3 stars. So basically this was my diamond. Okay, there is only one change from the previous, like this one will be this, so this is my diamond. There is only one change from the previous pattern, which is for every row number the number of stars were same. Like for this it was 5. At the most the number of stars was equal to the number of rows. So n was 5, so stars would be 5. But here it is not that case. It is more than 1. It is increasing by 1. Say for in the first row, if my n is 5, I need 6 stars and 1 space. Okay, so basically I can say my concept, which was I10 going till n by 2, it's still there. But when I was talking about my spaces, which were going till n by 2, it doesn't hold, because n by 2 is 2 here, since my row number is 5, but it was only going till here, and then we had the number of stars as 5, and then it again continued. But here I need to go one more step, and then I need to decrease. So this number of spaces would be n by 2 plus 1. Okay, and now let me show the number of stars. So stars would as usual be stars equals 1, because we have initially 1 star, then it will go to the n by 2 value, so it will go till n by 2, that is 2, plus 1, that is 3, so it will print 3 stars here. We'll take care of this other side afterwards. So let me give you a simple example and show it to you. I am doing this. Let me comment this. Yeah, and I'm writing in space and equals n by 2 plus 1. Star is there. I have this for loop running for me, which will go till the number of rows. So I is less than n, less than equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, and say, wait, this is there. I'll perform certain tests and I will check for if I less than equals n by 2. This condition will be there. If it is so, what will it do? It will star would decrease, because initially we had 3 stars, then it is 2 stars, then it is 1 star, so stars are decreasing. and space as usual would increase here. So space is increasing. Okay. And if this is not the case, so if we go in the else block, then we see, and now my star increases and my space would decrease in the same way. Okay, so I've got this, and now let me show you one thing. I'll print my stars and my spaces, and we see how it shows up. So yeah, I've got this star, I'll print the space, I'll print the star, I'll print the space, and lastly I need to print the star again, where I'm taking care of this portion also. Okay, so let me run this and this initial program and show it to you how it works. I have pressed a tab. Okay, I'll comment this so that I don't forget and this doesn't give me an error. I need n, so I'm initializing n as my input. So yes, and then I have it all covered. Let me run this. Cannot find symbol I with where if I less than equals n by 2. So n is there, I is there. It cannot find the symbol. What is it saying? Okay, if I is here and I is there. Okay, so isn't this in the for loop? Okay, so let me run. Reached and this is closed, this is closed. Okay, I need to close the for loop. These are silly mistakes we need to take care of. And see, I get 1, 3, 10, 5. Okay, this is something abrupt. So let me check it. You guys have also not realized the silly mistake is coming because I haven't put out a line, which I do need to. And also one more thing, I just realized this is not my space, this is my star, isn't it? What do you say? Because I'm not printing my spaces, guys. I'm printing the stars. Stars is increasing and stars is going till n by 2 plus 1. And this is space initially. So space is initially 1. And space would then increase by 2, then increase by 2, then lessen by 2, lessen by 2. So stars is n by 2 plus 1 and space is 1. And let me run it and show what the output comes. So we're printing the stars, then space, then stars. So 3 stars, 1 space, 3 stars as here. 2 stars, 3 spaces, 2 stars. Okay. Then again we have 1 star, 5 spaces, 1 star. So yes, our program is running smoothly. But I don't need this value. I need actually the stars. So for that, I will continue with my program and write for int j equals 1. J will go till star. Okay, this should be smaller j. And then j plus plus. What does this do? This will print the stars without changing the line. So yes, got it. Okay, now these stars are printed. These first stars are printed. Now I'll check for the spaces for int k equals 1, k less than equals space and k plus plus. Okay, so I will now print my spaces. So system.out.print, I'm printing my spaces, which is tabs here. So I've done that. And now I need one more thing, which is I need to again print these stars. So how will I print this? The star would come here for int j equals 1. J is going till star and j plus plus. Okay, and then I will be printing the stars. So let me copy and paste it. And yes, I have copy pasted it and I got it. Okay, now after this, the program is running in the same flow. I have this code, so I tab it and go. And then so I'll now see if all my braces have closed. This is closed, this is closed, this is closed. This one is closed, this one is closed, this one is closed. Yes, so all are closed. And let me now run it and check if my thing is done. And see, I got my pattern. My row number was 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 3. So row number was 5 and I got this pattern. Let me check it for 7. I'll run it and I get 1 2 3 1 2 3 spaces 1 2 3 1 2 5 spaces 1 7 spaces 2 5 spaces. Okay, so I'm getting as I wanted. Okay, so let me submit it and check if all my test cases are fulfilled. And satisfactorily, yes, all my test cases have been fulfilled. I'm getting a 10 out of 10. So this problem was quite easy, right? We have already done the pattern problem, so this was similar to that, and we just needed to change some little small things like increasing the n by 2 plus 1 and similar things. So hope you had a good experience. Let me now close the session. Thank you.